Here we have my custom made one of a kind brushless trike. It's mostly aluminium, carbon fibre and steel. It's got the full Integi front end with piggyback shocks. It fits a Traxxas Rustler, the front end does. It's got the 2.4 radio system in with a high torque servo, LiPo battery. The chassis plate itself is a 3mm carbon fibre sheet cut to shape and size and filed. It's got a 150 amp speed control, that's an LRP AI system with a 13.5 turn motor. Custom back end, it's got the aluminium side plates holding an oversized road bike swing arm. It's a single sided swing arm with a single shock conversion. Chain driven, it's got the steel sprockets. I'll just fire it up for you and show you it. We should have some bashing videos coming soon, so watch your space.